Hi, my friend. Welcome back. Let's learn how to make plans. A movie night.
Hi, Emily. How about we plan a movie night this Friday?
Hi, Alex. That sounds like a great idea. What movie are you thinking?
I heard there's a new romantic comedy playing at the cinema. What do you think?
Perfect. I love romantic comedies. What time should we go?
How about the 8 p.m. show? Gives us time for dinner before.
Sounds good. Do you have a preference for dinner, or should we decide on the spot?
I'm up for anything. How about trying that new Italian place nearby?
That sounds delicious. What time should we meet for dinner?
Let's aim for 6:30 p.m. at the Italian place. Gives us plenty of time.
Agreed. I'm looking forward to it. Do we need to buy movie tickets in advance?
Good point. I'll grab the tickets online, so we don't have to worry about it.
Great idea. Anything else we need to plan for the movie night?
Maybe a drink after the movie?
Oh. We'll see about that. I'll see you at the Italian place at 6:30 p.m. on Friday.
Fantastic. Looking forward to our movie night. See you then.
Weekend outing plan.
Hi, Rachel. How about planning a weekend outing?
Hi, Chris. That sounds like a great idea. What did you have in mind?
I was thinking of going hiking at Green Valley this Saturday. Interested?
Absolutely. Hiking sounds wonderful. What time should we start?
How about meeting at the trailhead at 9 a.m.? Gives us a full day.
Perfect. I'll pack some snacks and water. Any specific trail in mind?
I heard the Pine Ridge Trail is beautiful. What do you think?
Pine Ridge it is. Can we bring our dogs along?
Absolutely. It's a dog-friendly trail. Bring your furry friend.
Awesome. I'll bring Max. Should we plan a picnic lunch as well?
Great idea. We can have a picnic at the summit. What food should we bring?
I can prepare some sandwiches, and how about we bring fruit and snacks?
Sounds perfect. I'll bring a portable speaker for some music.
Excellent. Anything else we need to plan for our hiking day?
Dress comfortably, and don't forget sunscreen.
Got it. I'm looking forward to our hiking adventure. See you at 9 a.m. on Saturday.
Likewise. It's going to be a fantastic day. Can't wait.
Business trip.
Hi, Sarah. How about planning a business trip for next month?
Oh, hi, John. That sounds like a great idea. Where are we thinking?
I was considering a trip to the client's headquarters in San Francisco. What do you think?
San Francisco works for me. Do we have specific dates in mind?
I was thinking of the second week of July. Does that align with your schedule?
Yes, the second week is good. Let's aim for Tuesday to Thursday.
Sounds good. I'll check the flight options. Do you prefer morning or evening flights?
Morning flights are usually more convenient for me. Let's go with that.
Great. I'll book our flights for Tuesday morning and return on Thursday evening.
Perfect. What about accommodation? Do we have a preferred hotel?
I've stayed at the Grandview Hotel before. It's centrally located. How does that sound?
Grandview works for me. Can you arrange for a room with a workspace?
Absolutely. I'll make a note for a room with a comfortable workspace.
Thanks, John. And transportation from the airport? Should we book a car or use public transport?
I recommend booking a car for convenience. I'll arrange that as well.
Great. Anything else we need to plan for the trip? Perhaps a client meeting agenda?
Good point. I'll reach out to the client and schedule a meeting on Wednesday afternoon.
Perfect. Let's also plan some downtime to explore the city or attend a local event.
Thursday morning could be free for exploration. Any specific places you'd like to visit?
I've never been to Alcatraz. How about a morning tour before our flight?
Excellent choice. I'll check for available tours and book tickets.
Thanks, John. I appreciate your thorough planning. This trip is shaping up well.
My pleasure, Sarah. It's important to make business trips both productive and enjoyable.
Absolutely. Looking forward to a successful trip to San Francisco.
Likewise, Sarah. If there's anything else, feel free to let me know. Safe travels.
Will do, John. Thanks again, and see you at the airport.
Birthday celebration.
Hey Emma. Your birthday's coming up. Any plans?
Hi, Andrew. I haven't thought much about it yet. What do you have in mind?
How about a small dinner party with close friends at my place?
That sounds wonderful. When were you thinking of having the celebration?
Let's do it on Saturday, your birthday eve. We can start around 7 p.m.
Perfect. I'd love that. Do you need any help with preparations?
Thanks, Emma. You can bring your favorite dessert if you'd like.
Sure. I'll bake my famous chocolate cake. What's the theme for the party?
No specific theme, but how about a cozy and relaxed atmosphere with some music?
Sounds great. I'll put together a playlist of your favorite songs.
Awesome. For decorations, I was thinking of some balloons and fairy lights.
Perfectly cozy. I can pick those up along with some birthday banners.
Sounds good. As for drinks, do you have any preferences?
I enjoy cocktails. A small selection would be nice.
Good. I'll arrange for a variety of cocktail ingredients. Any specific ones you like?
How about mojitos and margaritas? Simple and always a hit.
Great choices. I'll also prepare a non-alcoholic option for those who prefer it.
Thanks for being considerate. How about activities during the party?
We can have a casual game night with board games and card games. What do you think?
Fantastic idea. I'll bring some of my favorite games too.
Perfect. Let's also plan a short toast to celebrate your special day.
Sounds wonderful. I'll prepare a little speech to thank everyone.
Excellent. Is there anything else you'd like to add or plan for the celebration?
I think we've covered everything. I'm genuinely excited about the party, Andrew.
Me too, Emma. It's going to be a fantastic celebration. Anything else I can help with?
No, you've been incredibly thoughtful. Thank you, Andrew. I can't wait for Saturday.
The pleasure is mine, Emma. Looking forward to making your birthday memorable.
Hope you enjoy our lesson today. See you next time.